For JR Automation, being a market leader in systems integrations means more than providing high-quality solutions. It means using an airtight process that empowers you, our customer, and ensures a successful project. Our robust project execution process model has been proven to work time after time and allows us to continually provide better and faster solutions for your business. From initial concept to the first project kickoff meeting, through mechanical and controls design approvals, to our multiple phase gate checkpoints, the JR Automation process guarantees regular collaboration and thorough communication. We keep you involved at every turn. With over 60 project managers spread across the globe, professionally certified and trained in industry standards, our team carries over 600 combined years of project management experience. The success of your business is our foremost priority. Our proven approach guarantees on-time and on-budget delivery every time. We're not just hard workers, we are trusted collaborators. The success of your projects is what measures our own. Together, we help you think, solve, and create.